Let's read what this one has to say. It says, to use, apply generously to skin. Okay, well, that's all it said. Hi everyone, I'm Wago Warrior, aka Julie, and welcome back to my channel. For those who are new, welcome. Wago stands for When You Get Old. I am 54 years old, love and enjoy makeup, skincare, doing product reviews, beauty hauls, and unboxing videos. If you've stopped by because you're curious what is in the August 2021 American Influencer Beauty Bundle, then you're in the right place and keep on watching. All right, well, this guy, I don't know, I can't find the weight, but it's hefty. So I'm predicting based off of past boxes when they're heavy, they tend to be hair care products. But maybe I'm wrong. But this box also seems to go every other box is hair care. This box, by the way, is $34.95 and it's every other month. And it is one influencer or brand's worth of product. So I'm excited to see who the influencer is this month. I never watch spoilers, so let me get the rest of the tape off and get the box open and we'll figure that part out. Alrighty. We have from a brand I've never heard of called Cosmosun, and I think it's going to be filled with like sunscreen and other sun related products. That explains why she's hefty. All right, let's reach in and find out what this first little item is. Ooh, I think I know. This is an applicator mitt. One size fits all. And it says that it is reusable self-tan application mitt. Ideal for use with lotions, mousses, and sprays. Ooh, I hope that means that one of these products, if not multiple, will be self-tanners. All right. Let me know. Have you heard of this brand before? Cosmosun by Cosmopolitan. Is that magazine? Huh. All right. So what is this next item? We have an SPF 30 sunscreen in the scent Piña Colada. It says it's reef safe, water resistant for 80 minutes. And it's broad spectrum and anti-aging. Ooh. Okay. It does come safety sealed. Oh, it smells lovely. I can smell it through the cap. I'm going to leave it sealed because I have 4 sunscreens going at the moment and I don't want to harm the efficacy. But yes. Okay. All right. Next item. This here is Sun Lotion with Shimmer. Ultra glittering instant bronze glow. Ooh. But these are all going to be safety sealed. Yeah. I'm wondering if this is one that's like not a self tanner, but you spread it on your legs and it gives a nice sheen. Let's read what the how to use says. All right. It says apply liberally, wash hands after use to avoid discoloration, discontinue use if irritation occurs, for external use only, avoid contact with the eyes. Okay, because they tell you to wash your hands, this probably is a self-tanner. All right, next item. What is this? We have Liquid Sunshine. It's a moisturizing self-tan water. Yes, I love a spray-on. The lotions, it can be streaky, but this, is this for the face? Let's see what it says. Okay, it's the sensitive skin formula, transfer resistant, buildable color, vegan formula, hydrating and soothing. Ooh. To use, it says, for best results to apply to freshly cleansed, exfoliated skin. This is designed to provide a natural looking, even color that further develops in 2 to 4 hours. Wash hands immediately after each application. Okay, can I put this on my face? It doesn't say not to, so I'm excited to give this one a try. Ooh, it's not going to be safety sealed. Let's spritz some on here, and by the time I end this video, let's see if it's done any coloring. It kind of has a scent, but not a scent. Like it's very soft, and don't ask me what it is, but it's lovely. It's not overwhelming or powerful. It's not coconut. It's just like a lovely skincare scent. All right, well, this is all globbed on and is going to dry funny, so let's see how long it takes to start showing a tan. All right, next item. Ooh, this one's big. What are you? This is Sunless Mousse with instant color. Ooh. Oh, this one comes with a pump. All right, instant color. Let's see how instant it is. Whoa. Okay, that is quite a lot of mousse and very dark. All right, I'm going to have funny looking hands. That may be a little too dark for my pasty pale. What was I thinking? Okay, for future videos when my hands are going to look weird. That is definitely instant. And I accidentally rubbed it on this hand as well, not as much. But the other test isn't going to work out so much. Wow. That... Okay. Ooh, need to wash my hands. I've never used a mousse before. That is lovely. And that would bode better with that mitt they gave. That is lovely. If you're going out and you're pasty pale like me and you want your legs to not look dead, you can just instantaneously put that on. That is really good. All right. Last item. What is this? We have After Sun Moisturizer with soothing cucumber and aloe. Ooh. Okay, it does come safety sealed as well. Let's read what this one has to say. It says, to use, apply generously to skin. Okay, well, that's all it said. So I guess you just... The first ingredient is aloe leaf juice, and followed by water. Okay. I hope it doesn't, if you apply it, doesn't make your tan streak or go away. But wow. That is a really exciting box. And no wonder this box weighed so much. Each one of those was a really large amount of product. Oh my God. Normally these cards have MSRP and pricing. There is no pricing on here. All right, well, so there are no prices on the card, so I will have looked them up and posted it on the screen by now. Let's recap all of the products we got from Cosmosun by Cosmopolitan. So we got a sun lotion with shimmer, an SPF 30 sunscreen, an After Sun Moisturizer, an Instant Color Sunless Mousse, and a Liquid Sunshine Spray Gradual Tan, plus an Applicator mitt. What are your thoughts? Are you into sunless tanning? I avoid the sun like the plague. I am super fair, and skin cancer runs in my family. I've already had a scare myself, so I really don't go out into the sun, but I hate looking pasty pale. So yes, I am super excited that I have so many products to try out. I don't know about you, but if you are into the sunless tanning It ain't cheap. So yes, and no wonder that box weighed a ton, because these are all really like large, nice size, hefty products. All right, I'm going to list on the screen the grand total and box value. I will be curious to see what the MSRP value for this box is. Let me know. Are you familiar with this brand? Is this Cosmopolitan have anything to do with the magazine? Since I am not into self-tanning, I'm not familiar with this brand. So let me know if it's new, if it's been around for ages and I'm just, late to the train, which is more than likely the case, or if no, this is new to you as well. All right, I want to thank each and every one of you for stopping by. I really do appreciate it. If you haven't done so by now, I would love for you to subscribe. For those who have, thank you. Don't forget to click the bell icon so that you're notified of future videos. And you see this guy right down there? I would love if you would hit that thumbs up button. It would mean the world to me and it would help my channel grow. All right, thanks everyone.